are kitchen must-haves as you're designing kitchens?
First and foremost is the function of the kitchen. I always just close my eyes and try to imagine where all of the things will be for cooking, how far away the fridge will be when I'm standing in a space, the sink, and then so the function is the most important, and then storage, making the most of the storage in the kitchen. Besides the health and wellness and the technology that seems to be everywhere. Smart technology is in everything. One of the things I see a lot of, which I love, is the customization.
Look at the trim on the toilet.
Yeah. Well, see, if you walk in front of it, it goes up. That's why. Yes, it's a bidet and everything.
Washes your bum.
Exactly. So I love this trim. I just think that
very cool.
That customization that you were talking
But there's
about.
the plum color.
Yeah.
So this is almost very retro.
Yes, it's going back to, right.
Christine Kohut, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you.
Christine Kohut from California.